See what we can find out there.
Out of daylight, Rutherford and Mahabir prepare to continue their search in darkness.
They are generally nocturnal creatures and more often encountered late evening and through the night, so hopefully they should increase our chances by coming out here in the darkness.
Centipede!
Where?
Mahabir spots a giant centipede.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Sensing danger, the animal disappears among the roots of a tree.
They're expert diggers, and they use their big venomous jaws at the front. Oh, there we go. Here we go.
Cautiously, they steer the venomous creature into a box.
Oh, what a beauty. It's a perfect specimen. Look at the beautiful striped legs, the long antennae at the front. That's fantastic to finally see one out in its natural habitat.